Hi, I'm Kyle from Modern Automotive Performance. For anyone who's ever taken a 10th Gen Civic to the track, you may have noticed that the accelerator pedal position is less than ideal for using the heel-toe method. The ACUITY Throttle Pedal Spacer is a simple to install part that is designed to give you the option of 3 pedal position placements to suit your driving style. Each kit will come with the spacer, 3 M8 bolts, and 3 washers. The tools you'll be needing for this install include a universal joint, a 5mm Allen socket, a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, a 6 to 10 inch extension, a ratchet, and a 3/8 torque wrench. All right, so first we're gonna remove the connector to the pedal assembly itself. So next we're gonna remove the 3 12mm bolts holding the pedal assembly to the firewall. So next you can go ahead and remove the pedal assembly. Next we're going to install the ACUITY spacer. You can go ahead by setting that in the OEM stud locations and reinstalling the nuts that you took off earlier. ACUITY recommends you torque these studs to 10 foot-pounds, so that's what we're going to do. ACUITY gives you 3 different positions you can put your pedal in once installed. There's an A, B, and a C. The A position right here will move the pedal up 15.5 millimeters. Position B, which we've chose for our car, moves the pedal up 11 millimeters and left 11 millimeters. Position C moves the pedal to the left 11 millimeters and down 11 millimeters. So once you have the included hardware installed, we're going to go ahead and tighten those down to 10 foot-pounds as well. Once you've torqued those down, you can go ahead and reinstall the connector onto your pedal assembly. That was the install on the ACUITY Throttle Pedal Spacer. Average install time is about 30 minutes. If you have any questions about this product or the installation of it itself, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below.